Okay, now Mel, on these brakes, you must read your passenger on the experimental nature of this
okay. Yeah.
trike, and the fact that it does not comply with, it does not meet safety regulations for standard category aircraft.
Right.
That's a requirement. Okay.
You check the airspeed on that thing when it was flying, so get an idea when that shaking starts?
I just thought I was flying right around 30 miles an hour. 30 miles airspeed.
That's pretty fast.
Yeah. That's how I fly. Fast.
So if you let it go, does it make any difference, the trim?
Yeah, you can get it to the trim about 25, it seems like.
Trim it at 25 and did it stop then?
No, the vibration's still pretty
Evident, huh?
evident, yeah.
Huh.
You want to take it up?
Yeah, here, I gotta get this stuff done, I can't do that. So the engine was okay?
Yeah, it worked. It was great.
Good.
Okay, back to my notes here. It says, advise applicant of outcome. Okay, you passed.
Thank you, sir.
Allow applicant some time to himself.
To himself?
Yeah, that's that.
Good, got that over with.
Yeah, good.
She's running pretty good.